Right, so I'm going to be installing a power supply in order to be able to charge mobile phones, GoPros and everything on the move. So this one, once you pop the protective water cover off, has a single USB connection, and we're going to aim to put this somewhere around here on the motorcycle, because I've got the Ultimate Add-ons connection there, so then we can just run the cable up and along. So the first thing we're going to have to do is take off the seat, this plastic cover and this cover. The key undoes this one, you've got a little Allen key there, and on the back of the seat you've got an Allen key. So let's get this off. So all the parts are off now. We've got the seat off, this section here where the key goes in. Once you've undone it, you then need to slide it towards the back of the bike, because these two sections here, the actual panel clips into them at an angle. So once you've slid that off, that comes off nice and easy, and then this panel here unbolts easy. So we've got access to the battery, and I just need to run the cables along through to the front and secure it. Before I install the actual power supply to the battery, wire it all through to the terminal which will connect up to the charger, I'm actually going to cover it in electrical tape. Now the reason behind this is so that when it's actually on the motorcycle, hopefully you won't notice it so much, because it's just going to be black rather than red and black. The red will stand out quite easily on this motorcycle. So let's get that covered. The cable is now completely covered in black electrical tape, so that should hide it nicely on the bike. So next thing we've got to do now is just feed it through and install it all the way up to the handlebars. Plug to connect up to the USB is going to be situated just here, coming out the side of the bike, and then it's all going to be tucked up underneath using multiple cable ties. Good old cable ties. So let's get this all secured in. Now I've installed the power supply onto the battery, run the wires around the seat bar up into the fuse box there that comes with it. I'll put a loose cable tie around here, nothing's going to bend that pipe down, and then basically, I don't know if you can see, hopefully you can't see, it's gone all the way up there, and it comes out right there with the connection right next to the handlebars. Now I've just got to install the plastic here, put the seat on, completely hide everything away, and then we'll install the final part up here. I've got all the panels back on now, the seat is back onto the bike, and the final section is just to get the power supply mounted onto the handles. So I'm going to be looking at somewhere down here, and then just running a cable up and along, dangling it off, and then we can just charge it as and when we're on the motorcycle. So let's get that installed. And I've now got the final part connected. So it comes in here, right at the front of the tank, feeds up through a little gap there, and I've secured it just there. So that is all nice and tight. It's not going anywhere, still nice and easy to access. You can take that off, need two hands, but you can take that off, and then once you've got it sorted, you can run the cable up to the top and through here, wrap it around the handlebar, straight to your Ultimate Add-on phone case for your mobile phone. Perfect. So that is me installing a power supply to the Kawasaki Vulcan S 650 2021 edition. Please like and share this video if you are thinking about installing a power supply to your Kawasaki Vulcan and you want a quick step-by-step guide to doing so. Until next time, ride safe, thank you for watching Rev Solutions, and we'll see you soon.